The smell of fresh bread made Tom's nose twitch. "What is cooking today?" he wondered, eyes wide with excitement. One sunny morning, Tom went into the kitchen. His mother was preparing breakfast. "Good morning, Tom," she said warmly. "Good morning, Mom. Can I help?" Tom asked, jumping a little. "Of course," she smiled. "We will make pancakes today." Tom washed his hands carefully. His mother gave him a small bowl and spoon. "Now, pour the flour," she said. Tom poured slowly. Flour went a little on the counter. "Oops," he laughed. "Now add eggs and milk," Mom said. Tom cracked the eggs carefully, learning how not to spill. He stirred the mixture. The batter was smooth and soft. While cooking, Mom taught him words: mix, pour, stir, fry, sweet, hot. Tom repeated each word loudly. Soon the pancakes were ready. Tom put syrup on top. He took a bite. "Yummy! I did it!" he shouted. Mom laughed. "You are a good helper, Tom." That afternoon, Tom told his father about his morning. "I learned new words and made pancakes," he said. Tom felt proud. He hugged his mother. From that day, he always helped in the kitchen and loved learning new words while cooking.